Now this illustration deals with wet niche luminaire steel, and we're looking at the NEC 680.23, B as in boy 1. Now, what they're illustrating here, notice the normal water level is shown. The top of that wet niche fixture should be at least 18 inches down. So if you're installing this lighting fixture as an electrician, you've got to look at this. You've got to find out what the maximum water level is, and then make that measurement down and install the wet niche luminaire as shown. Now the branch circuit that is routed from the service equipment to that deck box, as you see underneath the diving board, as we previously stated, has to be GFCI protected in accordance with 680.23A1. Now, you see the number 8, solid or stranded, insulated copper conductor or bare, could be this, would need to be insulated by this rule 680.23B2B that we're reviewing. But it doesn't have to be solid anymore. It could be stranded. Used to, it had to be solid, and boy, that was really a booger to hook up if you was ever electrician wiring pools. Now, when the 68 code come out, we had some guidelines. So if we were pool installers and electricians, then we would usually use, like previously stated, a drawing from the city that would illustrate how they wanted that pool to be wired. So this illustrates that the branch circuit has to be GFCI protected, and then that normal water level is shown with the 18-inch rule. And that's what figure 11-28 is illustrating.